Hey, PixelLego here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create this cool freeze frame clone effect in Premiere Pro. But before that, you must consider one major requirement. And the major requirement is to use a tripod. Or if you're using a stock footage, make sure that the video is recorded on tripod. And now, without further ado, let's go straight to Premiere Pro. Okay guys, inside Premiere Pro I've got this video, and the first thing I will do is to move the cursor to the point where I want to create my first freeze frame. I think here it's okay. Then I'll go up to the program monitor and click onto the camera icon. From here I will create a screenshot of the program monitor. As you can see, we've got name, format and import into project. For the name I'll leave it as it is, then from the format I'll choose PNG, but also you can choose JPEG. Then make sure that you click onto the import into project box, and also from the browse you can select where you want to save the picture on your computer. Then I'll click on OK. This will save the image into the project panel, and from here I'll drag the image and place it over the video. Then I'll drag the left part of the image and delete it to the point where I want to have my freeze frame. After that I'll select the image, click with the right button of the mouse and go up to edit in Adobe Photoshop. Once in Photoshop, go up to properties, then go down to quick action, and if you don't see it as I see it on my Photoshop workspace, then just simply click on this arrow. Then I'm gonna click on remove background. That's the easiest way to remove the background, but you can use the pen tool or the quick selection tool as well. Then once we've removed the background, I'm gonna press Ctrl and S to save the image and go back to Premiere Pro. Now when I'm done with the first freeze frame, I'll repeat exactly the same process with the second freeze frame. I'll move the cursor to the next point where I want to create my freeze frame. Here it's okay. Then again, I go back to the camera icon, click on it and save another PNG. Then again, I'm gonna drag the second image over the first image and the video, delete the left part of it, and again, right button of the mouse, edit in Adobe Photoshop. Here I'll do exactly the same that I did with the first image, remove the background, and then again I'm gonna press Ctrl and S to save the image. I'll go back to Premiere Pro and play the final result. And that's how you can create the freeze frame clone effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.